Happy Friday, everybody. Wanted to jump on today and just talk about Fridays and paydays. So that's what most people think about, especially if you're in the 9 to 5 world, right? Fridays or paydays. It's always a, happy day for most people that are on salary. They get their paycheck, they go out for a nice lunch. So I was thinking about the entrepreneur and the CEO mindset. So I just wanted to share a couple of ideas and thoughts that I was thinking about as far as Friday payday. So when you're starting out in your business, especially you're bootstrapping everything, you might not even have any profit per se, right? All of your money is going right back into your business. So you might be thinking, well, I don't even make enough money to pay myself. So what is she talking about? I had read, it was actually a few years ago, an interesting book. It's called Profit First by Mike, I'll probably slaughter his name, Mike Michaelowitz. And I'll put the name of the book and his name in the comments below so you can have it. And he actually has a whole series of books. And some people love his books. Some people think they're too elementary. But I think his books are an excellent resource for you. And basically, he just flips things around when you're looking at building your business. Because usually people take their revenue, so the money coming in, they minus all their expenses, and then that's what they say is their profit. But what he does is he says, take the revenue minus your profit or your salary, and that equals expenses. So basically, you are deciding how much do you want to invest in your business. I mean, that's kind of the bottom line. You have to read the whole book to get all of his details. But the reason I think it's a great book this time of year, we're at least in the United States, we're starting out in a new tax year. And so we're looking at all of our records and everything. And this book is just a nice book to use as a springboard so you can look at your business and your business expenses and figure out where your money is going and where you want to end up. So instead of next year, when you're doing your taxes, you realize that you had a profit of $20,000 after you paid all your expenses, but yet you look in your bank account and it's like, well, where's that money? Where did it go? So it just gives you some good ideas, some basically super simple accounting system to set up your business so that you're on top of your numbers. Now, in his book, he talks about setting up literally separate accounts, kind of like the Dave Ramsey, the envelope system. And then you put your money in the accounts and you move things back and forth. And that's not for everybody. I don't do that personally, but mentally, I do that, and I have some systems set up for that. So again, it's just a springboard, something for you to think about, because the bottom line is, you want to figure out what is happening in your business. I mean, that's why we started the online business, right? Because we're hoping to replace our income or replace our job. We need to generate this revenue, but you need to be on top of your numbers. So next week over in my Facebook group, which you're welcome to join for free training, we'll be doing some basically basic budgeting for your business, what things are like a must-have and what things are just fluff. Because I find when I work with clients that people go from either one extreme or the other. They're spending tons and tons of money on stuff that maybe they don't necessarily have to have right now, or the opposite, they're, scrimping by. And I get it if you don't have any money at all to invest in the business, but sometimes investing just a little bit in your business is going to save you so much time and money in the long run that it's better to do that. But anyway, so next week we'll be doing some basic training in the group. So if you want to hop over there and join us for that, that would be great. And if you haven't seen the spreadsheet that I offer people, let me know in the comments, and I'll let you have a copy of this. Basically, this is a spreadsheet that I use every year. I redo it every year, and it tracks so all of those ongoing expenses. So if you're using a marketing platform like Kartra or Funnel Gorgeous, things like that, your internet expenses, your phone expenses, all that kind of stuff. It's tracking that every month, but then it gives you a place to add all of those incidental things that you might forget about. So, you go to the post office and you buy postage, or you signed up for a quick little $29 mini course, all of these things that can quickly kind of bleed your business account, all the money that's going out. So this spreadsheet, how I have it set up and the training that I have with it is it's a super simple system. I have mine connected right on my browser tab. So every time I spend some money, I just click, go there, enter that miscellaneous expense. But the beautiful thing about the spreadsheet is it gives you a running snapshot exactly of where your business is, how much money you've spent to date, how much money you have coming in. So you will know at any time during the year where you stand with your business. And the real beauty is at the end of the year, all you have to do is print that final culmination worksheet out, and you are good to go. You have all of your expenses in one place. So I just wanted to let you know that that's available. If you haven't gotten a copy, or if you've had one in the past, make sure that you get the latest copy. So put it in the comments below. And as always, I tell people that I recycle my videos on YouTube. So if you happen to be watching this on my YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, the notify button, all of that kind of stuff. And if you're watching on Facebook, let me know if you're watching on replay. And I would love to know, tell me, are you paying yourself through your business, and are you doing it in a systematic basis? Are you paying yourself every Friday or once a month? So is today payday for you? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.